Welcome back to Under Par Acres. Our farmhouse build is coming along really well. However, our 10-acre field where we're building our driving range is completely saturated, so we're not going to be able to use that for the next month or two while it dries out. So what we're going to do this week is we're going to come in front of the house and we're going to get started building our synthetic putting green. To start this project off, I'm going to get 4 stakes in the ground that are 15 feet wide and 28 feet long. I then tie a string around all of the stakes, and I also use a level because I want to see what the grade of the slope is, and it turns out to be about 6 inches difference between the high side and low side. To start off, I'm angling the green so that the long side of the green is facing directly at the tee box we have 180 yards up the driveway. And once we have the area marked off, it's time to remove the tiny green that we built last summer. When I removed the cup, I realized that it was in there rock solid. So the method I used back in the summer to put the cup in, involving Quikrete, is something I'll definitely use again when we get to that stage of this putting green build. But for now, I'm going to get the mower out and set it to the lowest mower setting, and I'm going to go ahead and mow the entire outline of what I want the green to look like. And once done mowing, I'm going to get some orange spray paint out and I'm going to spray the entire perimeter of the green so that I can get a better visual from the aerial pictures of what it's going to look like. Overall, the green design looks really good, and it's a cool view looking at it from the tee box and over the pond. The problem, however, is that the golf hole from the 180-yard tee box is set up as a dogleg left, and this green is set more at an angle for a dogleg right. So I really want to do a secondary picture to see how it looks if I change the angle of the green. So in order to do this, I'm just going to move the stakes so that they're more in line with the fairway, and then I'm going to come back and mow again, and I'm going to do the spray paint again and take another look. And this angle just looks really good to me, and it works out a lot better for a handful of reasons. It still looks really good from the tee box and over the pond. It also sets up much better for practice opportunities as the fairway leads into the long section of the green, and you can practice shots all the way back to about 100 yards where you're standing at the front porch of the house. I also really like this angle and location in relation to the house, because it's going to just really be a great view from the upstairs windows once we get the house finished. And finally, it looks great from the tee box we have built, and it's really going to help complete the golf hole we have. And it's set up for a perfect little dogleg left, and if you hit high 7-irons and land it just short of the green, you could bounce them up right next to the pin. Our next video, we're going to officially break ground, and we're going to use the tractor and box blade to start working on the pitch and trying to smooth out the 6-inch grade we've got. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe, and you can watch us over the course of this build, and you can also follow all the other projects we're working on to build our dream golf homestead. Thanks as always for watching, everybody, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for us, and we will see you on the next one.